Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick review of the Cherry Stream wired USB scissor keys keyboard. I'll let you hear how quiet it is and give you a look here. First of all, it's pretty heavy duty, it's pretty weighty. It's got a USB wired cable. It's the most important thing is it is wired. And here's what it sounds like when you type. So not loud at all. Now the number key and the caps lock key does light up whenever you push them. So there's a quick review of it, and I'll give you a closer look. See, it's got pretty heavy duty, nice and smooth. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, I definitely recommend it.